Today's fluency says that there were 125 pieces of candy that were distributed equally among 5 boys. How many pieces of candy did each boy get? So they're distributing equal or equally to these boys. So you're making groups. You have 5 groups and you have 125 pieces of candy that you have to divide up into each one of those groups. So distributing equally tells you that you're dividing. The number goes, so we're dividing, so we put our house. The number that came first, we have the number that we're taking and putting into groups is 125. So that goes inside the house because that's the number that we have to distribute to the boys. So 125 goes on the inside and 5 goes on the outside. Okay, and remember that we have that multiplication because we're multiplying 5 times something that will get us close to the answer that's on the inside. So 5 times what is going to get me close to 1? 5 times 1 is 5, so that's too big. So 0. 5 times 0 is 5 times 0. So I have to put a 0 below my 1. 0 below my 1. I have to subtract. So 1 minus 0 is 1. And I'm going to bring down my 2. 5 times what gets me close to 12? Well, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So I say 5 times 2 goes on top is 10. So my answer goes in the house. And I begin to subtract. Oops, my 0 decided to go its own little way. And then we move it up. And then we're going to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. And whenever you're done subtracting, you bring down that number. So I'm going to bring down my 5. Now make that arrow go down. I bring down my 5. 5 times what is going to give me 25? Well, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5. So I'm going to put a 5 above because that's what I'm multiplying. 5 times 5. And then that gives me 25. So I'm going to subtract 25 minus 25 is 0. So I will have, and then I'm going to bring this down a little bit so I can put my zeros there for you to see. So I'll have my 0. 0 and a 0. Because 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. So how many pieces of candy would they get? They would get 25 pieces of candy. Okay, so I'm going to put a text box here, and you're going to say, you'll put your answer in the text box. So you're going to say 25 pieces of candy. Okay, and that was fluency for today.